everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back. Today we are going to be making these fall treasure tags, and this is a printable kit in our Etsy shop. And to start with, I printed everything on cardstock. I printed the tags on cardstock, and then I flipped them over and I printed the printable papers that come with the kit on the back so that the back won't be just plain white. And what I did with the little pieces and ephemera was I printed them on my CRICUT and cut them out, which made cutting them out a lot easier than doing it by hand. So I'll put a link down below for how you can use your CRICUT to fussy cut these images. But let's go ahead and get started decorating. So to begin with, I like to get a little distress ink and ink my edges just to give it a little bit of dimension, a little bit of an aged look. And then I like to start with maybe some layers, some larger pieces and smaller pieces, and we'll kind of just layer them over each other and see how we like it. And this kit comes with a lot of pretty little pieces and images. And I've got some mounting tape here, and I'm going to use that to help the images just kind of pop up off of the tag. So once I have my layout, I can kind of start gluing things down where I want them to go. And then for texture, I've got a little bit of lace and then also some cheesecloth. And I'm just gonna add those as part of my layers. I'm gonna add just a little glue to this to kind of help it stick through that cheesecloth onto the tag. And this tab can go up on top. Okay, and that's how you make the fall treasure tags. Just some fun, cute little layers. And once you make all of these, they all have a nice kind of cohesive look, and you can use them in your fall journal or on their own or as part of a card or gift for someone. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more junk journal and crafting projects. Thanks, bye.